The screw type buckle belt is adjustable, easy to adjust. This one is harder because it is stitched to the leather. So I'm gonna show you how to adjust if your belt is of this type.
Where are you from, sir?
New Jersey.
Yes. Just this one. Now another one.
So you're removing like this, right? So you do all this?
Yes.
And where do you get the supply of leather? From there's a supplier you have?
Supplier have he living the Napoli.
Napoli.
Napoli. Some Napoli.
That's in the
some
south,
here.
right?
Yes. Yes.
That's far.
It's okay, sir. Size. Same size I do.
Oh,
Okay.
that is, you have your own shop here.
Yes, madam.
Yeah. No more choice. No more returning.
It's okay, you're videoing him?
Yeah.
I asked his permission.
Yeah,
No problem.
I will recommend you.
Yeah. This is very easy. You do your home yourself is very easy. This one.
So you go to Napoli from time to time?
No,
Or
I'm not.
They just deliver it.
Yes, okay.
Okay.
This is better for you.
Yep. Thank you. You have to have the leather punching.
Yes.